Today we are solving this question, and the question says that we are given one array of size n containing elements from the range 1 to n. Okay, so the given array, the value present in the given array is in the range of 1 to n, right? And each element appears at most twice. Okay, return an array of all the integers that appears twice. Basically, I have to return an array which contains the element which is appearing twice in the given array, right? So there is one tricky solution. There is one tricky approach to solve this question. I'll explain you. I'll explain you the approach by solving this question. So let's solve this question. Fatafat se. What I'll do, I'll just traverse the given array from zeroth index till the length of the array. Right. So inside this loop, what I'll do, I'll just pick the element at every index, right? So int n is equal to the element which is present at ith index. Okay, and I'll pick the element by absoluting them, and that element should be positive, right? Why I am picking the element this way, I'll explain to you. Wait for some time. After picking the element, what I'll do, I'll run one if statement here, and I will check that inside ARR at index n-1, whatever the value is present, is it less than 1 or not? If it is less than 1, then that element is present twice in the given array. So in that case, what I have to do, I just have to store the value in an array, right? So I'll create one array list. So what I'll do, I'll just add the element, whatever the element which is present here, which satisfies the condition. I'll just add that element in the created answer array. If the element which is present at the index n-1, if that is negative, then that element is appearing twice, right? Else, so in the else statement, what I'll do, I'll just make the element which is present at n-1th index negative. Okay, what I am doing here, let's understand first. I'll just return the answer, and this is our code. What I'm doing here, actually the given thing is the element which is present in the ARR array is from 1 to n, right? In the range of 1 to n. So let's understand first what I'm doing here. Let's take first element, which is 2. What I'm doing here, just accessing the element which is present at 2 minus 1th index, which is first index, right? And at first index the value present is 3. Okay, I'm just checking the value, is it less than 1? In this case it is not. What I'm doing in else statement, I'm just making it negative, right? And as we can see here, all the values is in the range of 1 to n. So there is no any case that we are exceeding the range of the given array, right? And also one more thing we can see here, that by using other element we cannot access this index. By using this value 2 only, I can access the index 1, right? Okay, basically let's suppose I'm here, I'm accessing 2. Right now 2 is stored in the n variable, right? If I'll try to access n-1th index, basically 2 minus 1th index, which is index 1, right? This one, basically I'm checking that at 2 minus 1th index the value is negative or not, basically less than 1 or not. As I can see here, the value which is present at 2 minus 1th index is negative. What is mean by this? Basically, if the value is negative, which means the number which is present in n is present twice in the given array, right? We can say that basically before this 2 there is one more 2 which reached here, right? Made this element negative, correct? So at this point I can say 2 is present twice. So in this case I'll store the value 2 in the answer array, right? And by this approach we can solve this question. Let's submit this question and check it, is it working or not. Okay, so for the given test cases it is working properly. Let's submit it. Let's test it for multiple test cases. Okay, so it is working for all the test cases. Okay, so I hope you got the point here.